the rate of enzyme-catalyzed reactions affected by chemical nature of substrate and enzyme. Rate of reactions is measured in terms of number of product molecules formed. When substrate concentration is very small, only few enzyme molecule will form enzyme-substrate complex. Most of enzyme molecules remain free. As a result, number of product molecules formed also few. This stage of rate of enzyme catalysis is called initial velocity. Substrate concentration is gradually increased until all enzyme molecules involved in making enzyme-substrate complex. Rate of reaction increases linearly and reaches maximum, that is Vmax. As no enzyme molecules are free to form further enzyme-substrate complex, increase in the substrate concentration will not change the rate. If the substrate is in excess, the product concentration gradually increases till it reaches its maximum. At this state, rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. If rate of enzyme-substrate complex formation from enzyme and substrate is equal to the rate of its decomposition, is must be in a steady state. Here, enzyme-substrate complex in the system remains almost constant. Enzyme-substrate concentration formation is not affected by substrate shortage. Steady state does not affect rate of product formation, and substrate converted to products are quickly replenished by excess substrate in solution. Equilibrium constant is a state when substrate concentration has reached its maximum and forward reaction rate will be equal to the rate of backward reaction when K1 is equal to K-1. The pre-steady state occurs at the absolute beginning where T is almost equal to 0. Here, substrate binds to free enzyme. The concentration of the intermediate enzyme-substrate complex rises sharply from 0, while free enzyme rapidly drops. Product generation hasn't fully accelerated yet. In steady-state phase, which is highlighted here in the graph, the curve for the intermediate enzyme-substrate complex flattens out into a horizontal plateau. Because substrate concentration is greater than the enzyme is saturated. As soon as this complex breaks down to yield product, a new substrate molecule instantly binds to the liberated enzyme. Consequently, the net rate of change is 0. During this exact phase, substrate undergoes a steady, linear decline, while product accumulates at a constant, maximum velocity. Post-steady state is the end tail of the reaction. Here substrate levels drop too low to keep the enzymes saturated. The enzyme-substrate complex rapidly decomposes back to 0, and the accumulation of product plateaus out because the available fuel is exhausted. The Michaelis-Menten equation is a fundamental mathematical model in enzyme kinetics that describes how the initial rate of an enzyme-catalyzed reaction V0 depends on the concentration of the substrate. It is expressed as V0 equal to Vmax into substrate by Km plus substrate. Here, V0 is the initial velocity. The rate of the reaction at the very beginning, measured before the substrate is depleted or product accumulates. Vmax is the maximum velocity. It is the highest possible rate of the reaction achieved when the enzyme is completely saturated with substrate. The amount of substrate available to bind with the enzyme is noted as S. And Km is the Michaelis constant. The substrate concentration at which the reaction rate is exactly half of its maximum velocity. It serves as an inverse measure of the enzyme's affinity for its substrate. A lower Km means higher affinity. Km is the molar concentration of substrate at which maximum velocity is attained. It is independent of enzyme concentration. It is the measure of affinity of the enzyme for a substrate and is inversely related to the substrate affinity. Michaelis-Menten equation for a single substrate enzymatic reaction obeying hyperbolic saturation kinetics. Here Km is Michaelis constant and follows when V0 equal to half Vmax. Km is the molar concentration of substrate at which half Vmax is attained. Km is equal to substrate concentration when velocity of the reaction is equal to half Vmax.